once again here to help you out with certain basic scales that we have to learn. And these scales are the up to fifth scales. What is up to fifth? As I explained earlier in my classes, up to fifth are those notes, the root note to the fifth note is called as a scale up to the fifth, and ascending and descending. Ascending means from the root note we move on to the fifth note, and then we come back in a descending manner to the root note. Supposing I have C as a root note, I will go up to its fifth note. The fifth of C is G. There you are, right. I'll count it for you. This is C, D, E, F, G. And I descend back G, F, E, D, C. Clear? So I'm going to demonstrate here by telling the tabs and then playing it afterwards. So I will play C major scale up to fifth, ascending and descending. And the tabs are B1, B3, E open, E1, E3. And the descending order would be E3, E1, E open, B3 and B1. And what are the notes? I told you earlier. It was C, D, E, F, G backwards, or the descending order G, F, E, D, C. How does it sound? Please look here. Here, this is the second string, first fret, that is B1. C, B3, D, E open, E, E1, F, E3, G. That's ascending order. I'll play it once for you. And the descending order will sound very simple. That is G, F, E, D, C. So now listen to it. So please ensure that technically you are playing all this very correctly. Or your thumb, it should be here, as I explained to you earlier. And your fingertips should be pressing them, and you should lift the fingers once the sound is cleared. Once you clear the note, once the pitch is struck, and ensure that you are holding your plectrum in the correct grip that we have learnt earlier, right? So here I do it once again for you. I'll make it more clear for you. A little bit faster. So that comes to the end of our C major scale up to fifth, ascending and descending. Bye. Take care. Stay safe.